Mind maps are a powerful tool for organizing thoughts and ideas. They allow you to visualize complex information in a simple, easy-to-understand format. However, sharing these mind maps with others can be a challenge. In this presentation, we will explore different methods for sharing your mind maps with others, including online platforms, file sharing, and collaboration tools. One of the easiest ways to share your mind maps with others is through online platforms such as MindMeister or Coggle. These platforms allow you to create and share mind maps directly from your web browser. With online platforms, you can easily collaborate with others in real time, making it ideal for group projects or brainstorming sessions. Additionally, many of these platforms offer advanced features such as task management and integration with other productivity tools. Another option for sharing your mind maps is through file sharing services such as Dropbox or Google Drive. With these services, you can upload your mind map files and share them with others via a link or email. File sharing is ideal if you want to share your mind maps with a specific group of people, such as colleagues or classmates. However, it does require that everyone has access to the same file sharing service and that they have the appropriate software to view and edit the mind maps. If you frequently collaborate with others on mind maps, using a collaboration tool such as Trello or Asana can be beneficial. These tools allow you to create tasks and assign them to team members, track progress, and communicate with each other. Collaboration tools are ideal for larger projects or teams where multiple people are working on the same mind map. They also offer advanced features such as time tracking and project management, making it easier to stay organized and on track. When sharing your mind maps with others, it's important to keep a few best practices in mind. First, make sure that your mind maps are clear and easy to understand. Use colors and visual cues to help organize information and make it more engaging. Second, always consider your audience when sharing your mind maps. If you're sharing with colleagues or clients, make sure that the information is relevant and presented in a professional manner. Finally, be open to feedback and suggestions from others, as this can help improve your mind maps and make them more effective. Sharing your mind maps with others can be a great way to collaborate and communicate ideas. Whether you choose an online platform, file sharing, or collaboration tool, there are many options available to help you share your mind maps effectively. By following best practices and considering your audience, you can create mind maps that are engaging, informative, and easy to understand. So go ahead and start sharing your mind maps today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.